Hello everyone, I am Purnika from Sai Mehta Coaching Center Koti, Hyderabad and Space Engineering Academy. In this video, we are going to see about the SBI notification recruitment, that is State Bank of India notification recruitment. So in this, we have to first see the important instructions, and one of the important instructions is candidates are not allowed to apply for more than one post. And next thing, the candidate has to submit a no objection letter from the employer at the time of interview. Otherwise, no traveling expenses are paid. Next, the CIBIL score. The candidates with record of default in repayment of loans or credit card dues, or against whose name adverse report of CIBIL or other external agencies are available, are not eligible for appointment. Next thing, we will see the vacancies. So, for the vacancies of manager, the vacancies for OBC candidates are 1 and unreserved candidates are 4, which gives us a vacancy of 5. And the minimum age to apply for the manager post is 28 and the maximum age to apply is 40. Second post is the deputy manager post, in which the vacancies of OBC are 1 and unreserved is 4 and the total vacancies of 5. And in PWBD, for both the posts, it is 1 and 1. And the age in years, for the deputy manager post, the minimum age is 25 and the maximum age is 35. Next, we are now going to see the relaxation period. For OBC, the relaxation period is 3 years. For SC or ST, the relaxation period is 5 years. For PWBD, the relaxation for unreserved is 10 years. For OBC, it is 13 years. And for SC or ST, it is 15 years. Next thing, we are now going to see the manager post basic qualifications. The basic qualifications are BE or BTech in data science or information technology or computer science or software engineering. Next, the work experience must be minimum 5 years of post-based education qualification experience in job related to work on quantitative or risk analysis. And next, out of 5 years of experience, minimum 3 years of experience with programming languages used in data science, which are R, Python or similar language. Next, the basic qualifications for the second post, which is the deputy manager post. The mandatory qualifications are BE or BTech in data science or IT or computer science or software engineering from a recognized university. Next, the work experience must be minimum 3 years of post-basic education quality experiences in job related to working on quantitative or risk analysis. And out of the 3 years of experience, minimum 2 years of experience is with programming languages used in data science, which is R, Python or similar languages. And next, the pay is yet to be notified. The selection process is shortlisting and interviewing. So this is all about SBI notification, and for such more notifications, please subscribe our channel and stay tuned. If you do like our video, please like our video, and if there are any queries, feel free to ask in our comment section. This PDF is posted in our Telegram channel. Thank you.